They accepted $350.
They did? Come here.
Greensboro.
Greensboro.
Okay. Somehow it checks off all the boxes.
You're screaming.
Goodbye, LA. Hello, goats and chickens.
Go get some chickens.
Nice. So I am thinking Virginia might be out.
I'm kind of thinking too. I mean, the idea of moving out there is to be closer to your family. Why wouldn't we just stick to Raleigh? You know, you've lived there.
We're going to come up with a number of issues in the Raleigh, Chapel Hill triangle region. Mainly cost. It's a lot more expensive to live there. It's also hotter than certain areas in North Carolina. Based on some searches that I was doing, I'm kind of leaning toward the Piedmont area, which is Greensboro, Winston-Salem, and that's still only about an hour away from my family.
Really? Okay.
No, it's great.
Just scratch test. All right. Well, I mean that's great to be able to be so close to them. I think that's really important to you.
Yeah, Greensboro is only about 45 minutes from my dad. The other nice thing about Greensboro is that there is an airport in Greensboro. So if we chose Greensboro, we'd be really close to, you know, if one of us were to get a good acting job that travels. Nice. And the price range that I'm seeing is doable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we should probably look at some properties out there.
Yeah. I also read that Greensboro especially is like a very flourishing city with like Greensboro has shops and restaurants and a really great farmers market apparently.
Great.
You know, which would be great.
Because we want to be able to sell our stuff there too. So that's
Yeah,
awesome.
and also be buying local produce. There's so many cute restaurants in the downtown. It's like a very thriving cultural arts scene. We do like to be social. We like to get out there and do things.
Yeah.
And, you know, we're artists ourselves. So that might be a good spot. So I think I'm going to narrow my search. And also not be a very good floor plan.
Oh, you're killing it, baby.
Yeah.
Ooh. So, I'm thinking a couple acres, under 350 grand. All right.
Mm-hmm. Greensboro.
Greensboro.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Hey, babe.
Hey, you.
So,
How we doing?
I just found a really good listing.
Yeah.
So this one's in Greensboro.
Okay.
It's currently listed at $363,500. It's a little bit higher than we wanted to go, but we could always offer something a little bit better.
Right.
It's a mid-century ranch, brick on the outside.
Wow,
It's
look at
on
that.
just under 2 acres. The whole interior of the house was renovated in the last couple of years.
What?
So
Yeah,
it's
what?
basically like a brand new house. Right?
Okay.
I'm in love with the choices they did on this renovation.
Fireplace? Oh, wood burn. Oh my gosh, wood burning fireplace.
Wood burning fireplace, which
Hell
we
yeah.
really wanted. A fully finished basement.
That's the basement?
That's the basement.
Oh my gosh.
There's a wood stove down there. Having this fully finished basement would enable us to have our voice studios and our green screen and audition area.
That's perfect.
It's like over 2,000 square foot above grade, and then another almost 1,000 square foot of finished basement. So it's like practically a 3,000 square foot home.
Wow. This looks amazing, babe.
Look at the
Good
kitchen.
finds.
Look at this kitchen.
Ooh, that like honeycomb.
I like get excited because
Well, you know,
who knows if it's even available, if they have offers.
you definitely want to be excited about a house you're looking to buy, and that's for damn sure.
So it's a 3-bed, 2 full bath. The bathrooms are completely redone. Look at the hardwood
Yeah.
floors, the wainscoting. So with a 3-bedroom, we'd have our master, guest room,
Ah,
and then we'd have
that looks like Like a little baby room?
for expanding your family. Look at these built-ins. There's built-in like hush, like in
Cool.
the dining room. Look at these bathrooms.
Can we zoom in on that?
What is that? Oh my god.
God, what the hell is that?
So whoever took this picture
It's like Ant-Man.
looks like a supervillain
Oh my god.
wearing a mask.
What is happening?
Is that a deal breaker?
No. Anyway.
Now we're going to talk about this yard. The entire property is flat. It's already cleared with trees around the perimeter. It's just right for our crops.
Yeah. I feel like we can do anything we want with this.
There's so much space for goats
I know.
and chickens.
Goats and chickens.
So then there's a 3-car garage. 2 of the spots are ready to be parked in, and then there's the third part of the garage. That would be a great place to have a little workshop.
We got the greenhouse there too, right?
And there's a greenhouse.
Yeah.
Can you even, like, I can't even right now because it has always been a dream of mine to have a house with a greenhouse. I want to start all of our seedlings
Sure.
in the greenhouse.
I love that.
There's also a really sweet shed, which I want to paint barn red because I think it looks like it would
Have to,
it would be our little barn. And I mean, maybe that's a chicken coop or it's
ours.
Yeah. No, I need to call my agent Megan and see if she can give me any disclosures. In North Carolina, a lot of times sellers will provide these disclosures about the property before you even schedule your showing.
Right.
Just to see if there's anything major that we don't want to deal with.
Mm.
But let's see if there's anything major. And if not, maybe we can schedule a time for my mom and my stepdad to go and take a look at it like ASAP. Because
Yeah.
this one
I
looks
know you.
this one looks
I
like
know what you like.
somehow it checks off all the boxes. So
Right.
I am going to call Megan right now
Amazing.
and see what information we can get. We are really excited because we found what seems like the perfect home. And after my mom and stepdad went to go look at it today, we kind of fell in love. It has all the bells and whistles that we want for our forever home, including an already fenced in goat area because the previous owners had goats and the neighbors have goats and their goats frolic together.
Literally meant to be.
Literally meant to be. The property's stunning. The house itself is absolutely gorgeous. Even the paint colors that they have chosen are colors that we love. We can literally just move right in. I spoke with my buyer's agent about what she thought would be a reasonable offer. They're asking $363. She thinks that coming in at $350 would be a reasonable and strong offer. Apparently there are no other offers on the table, so that puts us in a really strong position. It's really exciting. Megan just sent over the documents to sign our offer and get that going.
We're gonna make it happen, baby.
Okay, we are going to go ahead and finish. We've
Hey.
sent our offer.
We did it, baby. And if there's any problems, I'll fight them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Baby. Baby.
What?
Hi. Good morning.
Oh, hi.
You're on camera.
I noticed. What's up?
What?
Uh,
Oh, hi, Daddy.
Teddy.
Daddy's awake.
Must be a good reason for filming me.
I heard back from my realtor.
Yeah.
The sellers countered at $357.
They did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We offered $350. They're asking $363, and they countered at $357. So we can counter back.
Back.
Mhm.
355. What are we thinking?
Yeah. I feel like 355 would tell them we're serious, and maybe that would be a happy point for them. Teddy, are you excited about counteroffers? I really don't want to go over that, so I'm just hoping that we can just 355 and hopefully be done.
Yeah. If they're stuck on that, only a couple grand more. Let's try that. Let's do 355.
Okay, I'm gonna let her know.
Yay.
Yay. Mwah.
I hear screaming.
It sounds like a good scream.
They accepted 355.
They did? Come here. What?
Teddy! You got a home dance. Well, Teddy, you wanted to be a part.
There we are.
I'm going home. I'm gonna start by calling my mom with the good news. She's gonna flip.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Guess what? The offer got accepted.
Oh my God!
Yay!
We're gonna see each other more.
Uh-huh. I'm coming home, Mama.
We both coming home. I'm so excited.
Yeah. You want to help us start our farm?
Damn, yeah!
You got the job.
Yeah, you're hired. It's likely that we're gonna move next month
Did you crazy?
and start
Family show.
We're gonna start our crops right away.
Oh my God, oh my God. That's just lovely.
Wildly sooner than expected.
We feel really, really good about this decision.
Yeah, we do.
I don't think you could have gotten better.
It's perfect.
No.
It's perfect. I love you. Thank you guys again, and I'll keep you posted.
Woo.
Bye.
Bye. This morning we found out that our offer was accepted at $355, and I have just sent off the due diligence check. So
We're starting our new lives together.
we're gonna start our new life together.
North Carolina, baby.
And how extra lucky is it that today is St. Paddy's Day?
So luck.
So luck of my Irish right here. So next step is home inspection.
So we're going out next week and we're gonna check out the place, make sure everything's all right, and
And
crazy excited.
next month, if all goes well, goodbye LA. Hello goats and chickens.
I've got some chicken.